Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have an epic Walmart clothing haul. Now, I have started following somebody on YouTube. Her name is Madison Payne, and she does all sorts of shopping hauls, finds great deals, she tries them on for you, she gives you the link for everything. It's beautiful. So she had a couple of Walmart clothing hauls, and I recently that had winter clothes and stuff like that, and so I went through and picked out 10 items for myself. Everything is under 20 bucks, and I am super excited to dig into these, try them on, see how they fit on me. I know she looked fabulous in everything, but that doesn't mean it's gonna look fabulous on me, so we'll see. So what I'm gonna do is just very quickly open this up, go through what's there very quickly. I'll focus on more of the pieces once I have them on, but I do like doing the unboxing part just so you guys can see my initial reaction to everything. So we'll make this as fast as possible so we can get to the fun part, which is the try on. First piece I am very excited about. This is kind of a fleece type jacket, but we have a Sherpa type, super soft Sherpa here, and I really like the button detail here. I've also seen some of these on Bad Habit Boutique that they've had these, and I just think they are super cute. So very excited about that. Next we have by Time and True, and this is just a pullover V-neck sweater. It's got kind of this sideways big ribbing. It's meant to be kind of the boxier type style, and I was feeling very festive when I bought this. A great, Christmas time red sweater, so super cute. All right, now I am digging into the big old box, and each piece in this box, it has come individually wrapped. I'm very excited about the piece I'm getting out right now. Okay, it is a flannel shirt, 3/4 sleeves it looks like, or maybe there's tab sleeves on it, so they might go all the way down, we'll see. But what's that in here? Sherpa lined flannel. I am all about that, so very excited to try this piece on. I have a few flannels, but none that are Sherpa. Buffalo plaid is very in this season, and so I got this cowl neck sweater. This is a no boundaries, and it has this little tie here at the front that I thought was a cute detail, kind of a shorter style, really nice and thick, and I'm a big fan of this. Next up we have this is an interesting piece, and this was just something I wanted to try. I don't think this was in Madison Payne's videos. I just happened to find it on their website, and it is a sweatshirt, but a sweatshirt dress. Just a long sleeve sweatshirt dress with this beautiful Sherpa on the hood, and this sung to my cozy lover inside of me, and so I bought it. And this is no boundaries. Oh, this is soft. This is just a nice fleece, climate right cuddle duds. Oh, so soft inside and out, and if you watch my channel you know I complain when things are only fuzzy on the inside. So inside and out, thumb holes. I like the color of it. It's a navy color, and I could very much see myself wearing this on the walks that my husband and I go on, and it just seems really soft and fuzzy, and it feels great. I love it. All right, another sweater here. This is Free Assembly, has a mock neck on it, which I enjoy. Just a gray fuzzy sweater, and I love the looks of it. Feels soft. Oh, I love this color. I love like this burnt rust color. All right, so we have, this is a sweater dress. Again, this has a mock neck, and there we go. Sweater dress, super cute. It's got the trendy balloon sleeves on it, which are just on everything. It seems like this is Free Assembly, so excited about that. Now this piece I think I made a little bit of a mistake with, and I love like a very soft pink, but I think this is just too pink for my taste. Big old tunic sweater, fuzzy, this cool kind of seam down the front, which I like, and a big old collar neck on it. So I like it. I do not like the color of it, so whoops, my bad. Okay, last piece we have here is buffalo plaid again, but this is just gray tones buffalo plaid, which I thought was unique. It's got this fuzzy material, which is nice. This is time and true, so very cute. All right, so I'm super excited about these pieces. A lot of pieces that I really like. So I'm excited to try them on. Let's get to it. Okay, so first up we have the Flannel Sherpa top, and looking at it, I wasn't sure if the Sherpa was going to add a lot of bulkiness, but turns out the Sherpa is just in this back panel here, so you can see that, and then see that there isn't Sherpa in the front panel. So I kind of do wish that the Sherpa went all the way around, but I do recognize it would probably add a lot to my frame, so, you know, that's not necessarily ideal. And even just in the back, it feels really good, cozy. I feel warmth radiating from back there, so I do like that. I do believe that these tab sleeves do roll down. They're actually not what I expected. I expected them to be kind of your typical button cuff, but this is actually what it looks like rolled down. So there's essentially no cuff other than a seam there. So not sure what I think of that, but I do like the look of it with the 3/4 sleeve. So I probably just leave it like that. So, and then the only other thing is it is a drop shoulder. So you got your shoulder seam right here, and it feels a little awkward. Like when I lift my arms up, I can kind of feel this seam right here. So it's just a little awkward. I don't know that anybody would notice it looking at me, but that's just something worth noting. So, but I think it's cute. I really like it, and I can see myself reaching for it when I'm wanting a little Sherpa on me. So, okay, next top. Okay, so next up we have this fleece. It's a little bit longer than I expected, kind of more tunicky, but it feels really great, really great. Now the only thing I will say, and you know, I give honest reviews of things, so just because I bought it in a home doesn't mean I expect perfection out of things. So you know, this kind of, it's a little bit stiffer here. This is kind of like jacket material, if you will, and so this kind of, you can feel this on your, every time I turn my head, I feel this. Now this is with it buttoned up. You can also, you know, unbutton it for kind of a open neck feel to it. I don't know how far you'd even want to go with that. I don't know, I'll have to play with this in front of the mirror. So I like it, and I think from a look perspective, I would keep it buttoned all the way up, because I don't know, I think it looks kind of awkward open. What do you guys think? But that is just a thing of note, is it's like you're going to feel that up here around your neck. So there we go. Okay, next piece. Okay, here we go with the buffalo print, the buffalo check. Well, I forget what it's called all of a sudden. And I really like it. So I like that it is cropped. I like that a lot. I like that it has a little bit this cinch on it, and this does go all the way down, so you can cinch it as much as you want. The material feels very warm and cozy. It's soft. I'm very pleased with this piece. So what do you guys think? Okay, next piece. Guys, I'm in love with this. Now, first of all, this is going to be my new base layer for bundling up and going on walks and things like that. I mean, just, oh my word, just the softness, the fuzziness of it. I don't want to wash it because I'm afraid I'm going to ruin it, you know, because fleece can, you know, pill up and whatnot. Oh, it feels amazing. And I like that it's form-fitting, because for a really bundle up type thing, I definitely want something that is form-fitting. Now, it is tunic length, so it could be worn with some leggings if you're going for that vibe. Just a nice crew neck here, and oh, thumb holes. I love thumb holes. I love them. So really happy with this piece. There you go. Thanks, Cuddle Duds. Okay, next top. Okay, this to me is the type of sweater that looks really cute with a front tuck. And I'm really gotten into the sweater tuck here recently, and I think this is a vibe that works really well. I like that it is, you know, a little bit of a shorter sweater. It does have kind of the boxy balloon sleeve oversized, but this is what the style is right now. It's very soft. I like that it's just a nice neutral cute sweater here. Here it is untucked, just so you guys can see what that looks like. So I like it. Next top. Okay, so this sweater, I'm feeling the holiday type vibe. Again, a sweater that I could see myself doing a front tuck with. And I like, you know, a bright red this time of the year. I love the pattern of kind of the sideways rib on it. I think that is super cute. And, you know, this is right in style with kind of the boxy, dolmany type thing. And there we go. I don't know. I like it. I can see myself reaching for it this holiday season. What do you guys think? Okay, next top. Okay, so another cute top, warm, fuzzy, feels good on my skin. I like it, you know, kind of loose, oversized, the way several of these are. I like it better on than I thought I would when I took it out of the box, because the gray was kind of blah, but it is nice to have some nice neutrals during the season, so I think I like it. Here, let me pull it out so you can see what it looks like. Again, I do like it better with the tuck. That gives it more shape and trendiness, if you will. So, all right, next top. Okay, so I stand by the fact that I just hate this color. It's not my kind of light pink that I like, but this is just a great tunic-y sweater. A good chunky knit, which I do enjoy some chunky knits. I like the stitch pattern on it, the cowl neck. It's all a very nice, cozy. I don't know that this is one I would front tuck, because I feel like it's just too long for that to just not look weird. But, you know, for tunic-y with some leggings, yeah, absolutely. Again, in a different color. So this one's going back, but I don't have a bad thing to say about the sweater. So, okay, next up we have a sweater dress. Okay, I decided to stick with the sneakers just to keep my casual vibe going on. I don't think I'd actually wear these with this dress. So this dress, I like it from here down, not so much here. So up here, you know, again, it kind of has the typical sweater, you know, a little bit oversized, a little bit dolmany. It has that, and then the mock neck, or I guess I could even wear it as a turtleneck, up here at the top. I'm just not loving this oversized look. Now, what attracted to me this is it's a sweater dress with a little extra room back here. A lot of sweater dresses are bodycon, and that's not my vibe. So I felt like this had a little extra room to it. I didn't feel like things were so suctioned here, but I'm not digging what's going on up here personally. I love the color of it. It feels great quality, soft material. It's just overall, the style is not Jen. So, but only good things to say about it. Okay, last piece. Okay, so, you know, this is a different vibe. You know, I don't know that I would wear this as a dress. The model did in the picture, but it wasn't necessarily named a dress, so maybe I would wear leggings with it. I don't know. I just don't feel super, I don't know. It feels just kind of short. I'd love to hear what you guys think of that. And it does have the kangaroo pouch down here. I mean, it's a typical sweatshirt inside of it. Very sweatshirt material. Definitely a different look, a different vibe. There it is. You got the hood on it. So, it's unique. You know, I'll give it that. It's unique. Again, quality-wise, feel-wise, I don't have a single complaint. Very, very soft, very cozy. Just not sure if it's Jen. So, yeah, there we go. All right, let's do a super quick wrap-up now. Okay, guys, I have my receipt from when I paid online here. So I'm going to just blow through this super quick with final thoughts and what I'm going to keep and blah, blah, blah. So let's do this real quick. So free Assemblies women's lightweight turtleneck sweater dress, $18. great quality. Just the shape of it was not for me. Great price. Everything's gonna be great price, so I'm not gonna even say that. Then we have the Time and True women's textured cowl neck sweater, $16.96. While I hate the color, I don't know that I would love it in any other color just because I don't really like tunic-y that much. But if you're looking for something to wear with leggings that's, you know, big and cozy and chunky, it's a great piece. Next, we have the No Boundaries Junior Cinch Waist Mossy Turtleneck Pullover, $15.96. I love this. I am obsessed with this. This is getting worn. This is being kept. Very, very happy with this. Then we have the No Boundaries Junior Sherpa Line Flannel Top, $15.96. Yes, this is a keeper. I like the color of it. There's even some interwoven sparklies in it that I'm sure you can't see that on camera. And obviously, I am a big fan of the Sherpa. So, yay for that. Then we have Free Assemblies Women's Super Soft Mock Neck Sweater, and it is super soft. I really liked it. I would like to see it on myself when I play it back in video, or when I go to edit it, see what I think how it looks. But from what I could tell, I liked it, so I'm happy to keep that. Then we had Time and True Women's Eyelash Sweater, $14.88, and again, this is another one I think I need to watch back. I don't know that I was super excited about it, so I might not keep it just for the sake of how many sweaters do I need, but I liked it. Then we have the No Boundaries Junior Sherpa Lined Hoodie, $12 for this bad boy. I'm probably going to keep it just for the sake of wearing it with some leggings and just being as cozy as possibly could be at home. I would not wear this as a dress, and it is kind of weird, but I like it, so I think it'll stay. Then we have the Climate Right by Cuddle Does Women's Stretch Fleece Long Underwear Thermal Top with Cuff Thumb Hole for $9.96, and this is probably my favorite purchase of it all just because I am obsessed with things that are cozy, comfy, soft, and this checked all the boxes for me. Then we have the Lily Posh Women's Asymmetrical Snap Fleece Pullover Turtleneck with Special Oblique Neck, $19.99. I don't know if I'm actually going to keep this. I like the look of it. I didn't like the length of it. That bothered me. And also this neck thing here, it feels a little weird. So, and it's 20 bucks. It's one of the more expensive ones. I mean, even though, all these were great deals. But I don't know, I might actually send this one back. What do you guys think on that? And then we had the Time and True Women's V-Neck Sweater, $13.88. Great holiday sweater. Nice to have some dressier sweaters. I like a mix of dressy and casual, and so this is a good dressy sweater to add to my closet. And that is it. So the entire haul, all 10 pieces, with tax was $163.27. Great, great deal. I easily end up spending something like that on like 3 items at Stitch Fix. So getting 10 pieces for that is great, and then I am gonna send some of those pieces back because if they're not perfect, I'm not gonna keep them. So there we go. That was my Walmart haul. That was so much fun. And I'll be honest with you guys, I have enough saved items for another Walmart haul that I was interested in, but they didn't quite make the cut. Again, a lot of them came from Madison Payne's videos, though some of them I just found on my own. So I don't know, if you like this, let me know, and I might do another one, unless you guys are just judging me real hard, in which I won't do another one. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I will put all the links below of the stuff that I bought from Walmart, so if you want to purchase for yourself, you can, and hopefully you enjoy. Hopefully I gave good reviews of things so you know what to expect with it all, and I think you guys are awesome. So please subscribe below if you are not subscribed, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay.